Ready to elevate your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back to DJ Tommy G for the Morning Brew Show. 11:53 on the dot. And Sosimo Fashion Boutique will be having its 5th anniversary festival. You're all invited. Come and celebrate with us. Sosimo Fashion Boutique is thrilled to invite you. Open for everybody. 5th anniversary celebration for an evening of celebration with live performances by local bands and surprise celebrity guests. All right? Come and enjoy an evening filled with music, joy, special announcements, and more. So we look forward to celebrating this milestone with you, and we are excited to welcome you to the JHK building on May 26. Okay, located at number 3 Lower Calaclan in Olongapo City. Sosimo Fashion Boutique's 5th anniversary. It's gonna be May 26, this coming Sunday, 4 p.m. So see you guys there, all right? And we have a couple of invites here for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. The Blooms Fan Fest will be happening on Sunday as well, May 26, 3 p.m. Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. The fans of the Beanie Girl Group will be having their Fan Fest. Once again, May 26, Sunday at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant is inviting you to try their Crema de Fruta, the special cake flavor for the month of May. Located at the ground floor of SM City Olongapo Central. Boys Teen Sale is happening, up to 50% off for boys and teens apparels, May 1 to 31 at the SM Store. All SM stores nationwide. And the best gift for all is the SM Gift Pass. Get them now at the customer service counter of all SM stores at all SM supermalls nationwide. Famous Belgian Waffles is now open at the SM City Olongapo Downtown at the ground level. So if you're craving for the famous Belgian waffles, they are now at SM City Olongapo Downtown. There's also one at SM City Olongapo Central. Also, do check out the shoes and bags sale at all SM stores. Up to 50% off on shoes and bags from May 1 to 31. CBTL offers the free upsize on drinks until December 31st at all SM stores, or rather at SM City Olongapo Central. Inside the SM store, second level of SM City Olongapo Central. All right? So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. You guys do check it out, okay? And right about now, we have batch number 2 of Romblon State University students here at the radio station. Yan. Okay, kumakaway si Kuya. Alam niyang may live video na. Ayan, let me show it to everybody. Ayan, there you go. Ayan, kita niyo ba? Okay. Ayan. Once again, Romblon State University. Yay! Oh, ang taas ng energy nila. Yay! Pagod galing sa biyahe. Ito ba yung first stop nyo? 89.5 or may nauna kayo? Pang last na. So far, saan kayo nang galing dito sa Subic Bay Freeport? Sa? Saan? Kindly use this, sir, para marinig ka. Saan ang galing? Saan?
Police station.
Police station?
Yes.
Yeah, lahat kayo nandito, walang naiwan doon?
Yeah,
walang hinuli. So nakita niyo yung ano namin doon, yung tawag dito, CCTV installation, ano? Anong masasabi niyo sa ano? Ayos ba? Oh, pag nakita mo yan, marirealize mo wherever you may be in the Subic Bay Freeport, kita ka pala, no? Oh, dati nakita namin yung mga tropa doon, naglalakad. Tinesting namin eh. Kita yung tigyawat sa gabi eh. Naglalakad eh. Gabi na yun, ha? Paano pa pag umaga, no? X-ray. Okay. And aside from LED, ano pa yung naging stop niyo sa Subic Bay Freeport? Subic Bay, sa Seaport. Yes. Seaport Building. Ayan. Hindi kayo doon sa Subic Safari? Ayan. Subic Safari. May special offer kasi sila na ano, Running with the Tigers, bahala na kung abutan. Yun yung title ng promo. Masarap i-avail yun. Okay. So after this, back to Romblon, ha? Tama ba? Hindi pa naman. Saan pa? Okay. You're gonna stay pa sa Subic Bay Freeport. Okay.
This day lang po. Ibang location na naman.
Ibang location? Saan yung next location? QC. Oh. Nakakatawa yung mga ano ngayon, ano, yung mga educational tour, yung mga field trip ngayon nowadays, no? Parang Eras tour ni Taylor Swift, may mga dinadaan-daan. Kami noon nung nagpi-field trip kami, paggawaan lang ng Crayola eh, tapos uwi na. Wala pang pre na coloring book. Yeah. Yung sa inyo ngayon, ano na, multi locations ang pinupuntahan, no? Nauso na, no? Yeah, okay. So Romblon State University, pare-pareho ba kayong ano, fourth year students, no? BSIT. Okay. Lahat kayo magkaklase? Hindi. Pero fourth year lahat. Yun, so graduating hopefully. Graduating lang, wala pa lang hopefully. ngayong June ba? Ngayong May? Yeah, tentative. Yeah, okay. So anong masasabi niyo about your school na alam niyo yun na pwede niyo ipagmalaki, gano'n. Official interview na to, ha. Kindly use the mic kung sino man sasagot. Anong masasabi niyo about your school? Can you give us, what defines your school? Para pang kunyari, pag sinabing ano, di ba? Kunyari may monumento ni Rizal, alam mo Luneta yan, parang gano'n. Sa inyo, anong masasabi mo na ayan, Romblon State University yan, gano'n.
Ano po, sir, yung mga tao po sa school, yung mga students, sir.
Okay.
We are known to have a creative students na nakikipag-compete na just in our region po. Nakikipag-compete po kami against sa different region, kahit po sa Calabarzon, including the UP and other schools po, mga
so even
Strasuk or other forms of competition and creative skills.
So even nationwide competitions for schools, no? Academic competitions, gano'n. Wow, that's nice, ha?
Yes po. And then we are very proud na recently po, isa po ang university namin sa nag-up when it comes to electrical engineering top performing schools sa Pilipinas. Top 18 po ang RC.
Wow, galing, ha? Paano masasabing isa ka sa mga top electrical Paano ba masasabi? Anong basihan diyan para masabing top electrical electrical engineering ba sinabi mo? Tama ba?
Yes po.
Paano masasabi?
Meron pong based sa percentage po ng mga nag-exam and then yung mga passers po.
Akala ko paramihan ng nakuryente tapos nag-survive. Kapag maraming hindi nag-survive, talo. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, so pero sa physical aspect ng school, ano yung meron sa school niyo? Let's say graduate na kayo, pinaka-mamimiss niyo sa school niyo? Aside from the, syempre, students, samahan, natural yon, given yon, masaya yung samahan sa, yung physical aspect ng school nyo, na kayo lang ang meron, wala sa iba. Sige nga, anong kakaiba? Iba naman, pass the mic.
Pass the mic.
Tol, pass. Pass to table number 5, please. How about yung girls? Your chance to answer. Yung guys lang ba sasagot? So, girls naman, di ba? Yeah. Sige, kung graduate na kayo, ano may miss nyo sa school nyo na we're talking physical aspect ng school, karang ganun.
Sir, ang may parang core ng school namin is agricultural. So yung school po namin, may field po yun ng rice field dun sa gitna, sir.
May rice field?
Yes, sir. Para siyang refreshing kapag stress ka na sa mga capstone, other academic requirements, sir. Pag tumitingin kami doon, sir, parang nare-refresh kami. So isa yan sa mga scene na mamimiss namin, sir.
Oo nga, makakamiss yung mga ganyang bagay, no? Tapos, sino naman yung mga mamimiss mo?
Sir,
si Gusto mong batiin?
Namimiss ko na siya, sir.
Sige. Lumaban nga. Yeah. Okay. Ayan. So, yun yung isa sa mga yung physical aspect ng school na makakamiss sa inyo no pag umalis kayo. Alright. Yung sceneries parang gano'n. Agriculture.
Saka sir, yung po, may mga prof po kami na very supportive. Tsaka magturo sir kasi po kahit po yung well-being namin kasama
magaling
sa
magturo. Yeah.
Yes sir.
Lalo na yung mga nandito ngayon, no?
Yes sir.
Yung wala. Joke lang. Wag yun akong tawaging sir. Wag din ma'am. Okay. Okay, so my next question would be naman, kasi pag pupunta ako sa schools, yung school yun hindi ko pa napupuntahan, pero I always find it interesting na when I visit schools, ang isa sa mga una kong pinupuntahan, canteen. Kayo, kamusta naman ang canteen or cafeteria nyo? Okay ba? Masarap ba pagkain?
So for sir, para mga lang po, put up stalls, ganun.
Wala kayong sariling cafeteria.
Ongoing pa po yung
yung construction.
Opo, sir.
Oh, wow, nice. Oo, okay. Ano paborito yung pagkain doon? Yung mga sinabi mo mga stools?
Siomai rice, sir.
Siomai rice. Wow. Okay, nice. Sige, wag na nating palayuin yung usapan sa pagkain. Baka magutom tayo pare-pareho. Okay. Is this the first half pa lang kayo, no? May other half pa? Or second na to?
Second.
Wala na. This is the last one sa bus ninyo. Okay. Si Manong driver, hindi pa susunod? Okay. So far, anong pinaka nagustuhan yung sa Subic experience ninyo? So far, anong pinaka nagustuhan ninyo? Aside from syempre number 1 yung 89.5 radio experience. Ano yung pumapangalawa sa 89.5 Subic Bay radio experience ninyo? Yung
CCTV po na parang yung range abot ng Romblon.
Abot hanggang Romblon. Kita pa rin. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay. Sige, I'm not gonna hold you long dahil alam ko mabiyahe pa yata kayo or yeah. Okay, so maraming salamat. Thank you for dropping by and sharing this piece of info. You may replay the video anytime sa 89.5 page. I also tagged your official Facebook page, yung Romblon State University. Sige, quick shout out. Sige, bati. Greet. Sige, go ahead. Yeah, may mga gusto kayong batiin. You guys can take pictures habang ginagawa natin to.
So, sir, in behalf of all IT student po of RSU, we would like to shout out sa lahat po ng mga student ng RSU. Yes! So ito po kami ngayon, lumalaban po mga taga-RSU at dito po kami ngayon at natututo po kami araw-araw. Sir, aside from that po, we would like to shout out our parents, our mga peers, companies po namin sa Romblon po, na dito po kami ngayon. We are safe and we are learning day by day, sir. And we would like to thank you, especially po to this radio station po sa Subic po, to give that they give us a chance to experience this wonderful moment today po, sir. Thank you po.
Wow. As a parent, that's nice to hear. Yung sinabi mo na you guys are safe and learning, di ba? Tama ba sinabi mo? Shout out sa parents, no? Yun. Kala ko shut up sa parents. Joke lang. Okay, thank you guys. Maraming salamat. And enjoy Subic. Masarap dito. Ayan. Romblon State University! Yay! We will press play on the next requested song. Here's a song coming from Alanis Morissette. This one's called Underneath, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.